Brussels sprouts!
Oops.
Okay, Philip, I have a very important job for you if you're up for it.
Oh, yes, please, Your Majesty.
Please can you pick up and deliver this gold to the palace tomorrow?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Don't tell anyone about it, it's very valuable, so people might try to take it.
I'll be careful, I'll be careful.
Yes, I'm sure he'll do a splendid job.
But someone had overheard everything. Captain Funling.
Ooh, gold! I'll get my hands on that.
But that evening, it snowed very heavily. The next morning... Oh boy, time to deliver King Funling's gold! Oh wow, it snowed! How magical!
Ah, Philip, I'm afraid with this snow, it'll be too difficult to deliver the gold today.
But Your Majesty, I can still do it.
I'm sorry, I don't want to take any risks. You can deliver it in a few days' time instead.
Oh. Hello, Philip. Are you okay? No, King Funling gave me a really important job to do, but cancelled it because of the snow. Oh dear. Well, King Funling knows best. I'm sure it's the right decision. Yeah, I guess. Looks like I'll be shunting regular trucks today then.
Alright, pirates, Philip will have gold in his truck today, and I want it. I don't care how you do it, but I want you two to get it for me. Aye, aye, Captain! Yes, sir! Hello there, Philip. Wow, it's a nice day to shunt trucks, isn't it?
Is it?
I got it! Run!
Hey, come back with that!
Run! Ooh, we got the gold, Captain. Oh, good. Oh, pirates! That's not gold, it's fish. Yeah. I wonder why the gold smelt so bad. I can't rely on you two to do anything. I'll have to get the gold myself. Hi, Philip. There. Sorry about these two. Yeah, we're sorry.
That's okay.
I thought you were delivering gold today, not fish.
I was? Wait, how did you know about that?
Oh, Thomas told me?
Right. Well, King Funling cancelled. He said it would be too difficult to deliver it in this snow.
Too difficult? No, not if we helped you. Yeah, we can help. We definitely won't try and take the gold ourselves. Oh, come on. Well, see, we can surprise King Funling.
Yeah, we could. Okay, let's do it. But when they reach the gold, oh dear, it's covered in snow.
Oh, we can't take the gold ourselves if it's covered in snow. Don't worry, I know what to do. Cannon! Is that such a good idea? Fire!
Wow, that worked perfectly.
I know, I'm a genius.
Now they could start their journey. But it wasn't long before... Uh-oh.
What is it?
There's something in the tunnel. A snow monster.
Oh no, it's looking at the gold. Not on my watch. Hey, snow monster. Don't you dare take that gold. You hear me?
Well done, Captain Funling.
No one's taking that gold but us. Oh, no one's taking that gold.
So they could continue the journey. But then... oh dear.
What is it now?
I can't go any further. The track's covered in snow.
Should we just take the gold now?
We can't carry it all the way to our ship from here.
Okay, we'll clear the track.
Well done, you lot.
There. Now, the track is completely clear.
Thanks. Now I can do the rest of the journey myself.
Wait, what? No! You still need us!
Pirates, I do know that you're planning on taking this gold for yourselves, and I can't allow that. But the palace isn't too far away now, so I should be alright. Thanks for your help though. Hehehe.
No! Wait! Ow! He tricked us into helping him.
Oh, I do love the snow.
Yes, it's magnificent, isn't it?
It's a shame Philip couldn't deliver the gold, though.
Speaking of Philip, here he comes now.
Oh?
Hello, your majesties. I've got good news. I have your gold.
Really? How did you manage that?
Well, I had some unexpected help.
Thank you, Philip. We can take it from here.
Yes, the palace is just around the corner. Thank you ever so much.
No problem, your majesties. I'm just happy to help. Thomas, Will and Ben were looking forward to Christmas. My favourite part of Christmas is probably all the presents. What? That's my favourite part. You can't have the same favourite thing as me. Yes, I can. Okay, you two, you both enjoy the presents. What's your favourite part of Christmas, Thomas? Well, I love the Christmas dinner. Oh yeah, that's a good shout. I love every part of a Christmas dinner. Well, except for the Brussels sprouts. Ooh, Brussels sprouts. I'm glad they only come out at Christmas. They taste horrible. Excuse me, you three. Could you help me? Sorry, I've broken down. Yeah, and I'm asleep. Please, can you help me, Thomas? Okay, Diesel, I can help you. Thanks, Thomas. Please, can you deliver these trucks? I wonder what's in the trucks. Please deliver these trucks of Brussels sprouts to King Funling.
Brussels sprouts!
What? Brussels sprouts? Yes, thanks, Thomas. I don't want to deliver Brussels sprouts. Well, Thomas, I have an idea. There are enough Brussels sprouts in those trucks to feed the whole of Sodor. So why don't we hide all of the sprouts? Yes, so there won't be any left for Christmas. Great idea. Well, we're full of them. So they each took a truck of Brussels sprouts and hid them around Sodor.
Yay, Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Chef Funling.
Merry Christmas, Thomas. Christmas! Huzzah! Lovely.
Haha, thanks, Snow Monster. Haha. that's all of my Brussels sprouts hidden. Mine too. All of mine are gone. We did it. No sprouts on our plates this Christmas.
Hello, Bill, Ben and Thomas. Have any of you seen Diesel? He's got a delivery for me.
Oh, I don't think you'll be getting that.
What? Why not?
Well, we tried to make the delivery for him, but we lost all of your Brussels sprouts.
What? All of them? Oh.
Yep, no Brussels sprouts for anyone this Christmas. Which is a good thing, because nobody likes them.
I like them.
What? You do?
Yes, well, they're green like me and tasty. Ooh, and I could eat 100 of them. But they're all gone.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I didn't realise you loved them.
Yes, this Christmas just won't be the same without them.
Oh, actually, Your Majesty, we hid the Brussels sprouts. We didn't lose them. Thomas!
What? You hid them?
Yes, because we really don't like them. But if you want some, there are some hidden here.
Some sprouts!
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. How can we make it up to you?
Well, there are 4 of us and there are 4 sprouts. I think we should each eat one.
Oh no, don't waste them on us. Yeah, we really don't like them. Yeah, don't you want to save them for Christmas?
Nope, we'll eat them now. Hum yum 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 yum. Yummy! Now you.
Oh, hum nom 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 nom. Ugh, hum nom nom nom. Fine, hum nom 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 nom.
And what do you think?
It was actually very nice. Yeah, that was lovely. Why did it taste so good?
Chef Funding prepared them. He is a very good chef, you know.
I actually really enjoyed that. I kinda want some more. Don't worry, I think we can remember where we hid the rest.
Oh, marvellous. So we will have Brussels sprouts this Christmas. Hooray!
Dinosaur! Dinosaur! There's a dinosaur over there! Thomas, don't go inside the tunnel. There's a dinosaur!
A dinosaur? Ah! You're right! I'm getting out of here!
Haha! It worked! Yeah, let's trick another train. Hey Gordon, there's a dinosaur over there. A dinosaur? How do I know there's a dinosaur? Ah! Run away! It worked! Let's find another train. Percy, there's a dinosaur! Oh no, a dinosaur? Yeah, it's going to eat that truck of food! Oh no, what kind of dinosaur is it? It's a really big dinosaur with a loud roar and spikes on its back. And look, the truck has gone! Ah, run away! Percy fell for it! Yeah, our plans worked!
We heard about a dinosaur. Yeah, we'll say today.
Oh, sorry Fundlings, there is no dinosaur. We made it up.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Everybody thinks there's a dinosaur. Yeah, we managed to trick everyone. Ah, it's nice to relax. What was that? I thought that was you. Ah, a dinosaur! Run away! Super funding! Safari funding! There's a dinosaur! Yeah, we need your help!
We're not falling for that one. Yeah, I'm sure you can handle it on your own.
Oh no, nobody believes us! We need to stop this dinosaur!
Uh-oh.
Let's distract the dinosaur with some food! Yes, it's working!
Thank you, Bill and Ben. Ah, a dinosaur!
Bill and Ben were right.
Follow me, dinosaur!
Thanks, Bill, for saving us.
No problem. This should bring the dinosaur into the tunnel.
There we go. The dinosaur is trapped.
Thanks for helping us.
No problem. We'll move the dinosaur to a safer place.
Sorry we pretended there was a dinosaur before.
That's okay. At least you helped save the day in the end.
Byron the bulldozer can be a bit boastful. He usually thinks he can do things better than anyone else. And one day it got him into a bit of trouble. Phew, that's the track almost completely cleared of snow. So you're the engine clearing the snow off the track. You know, I could do that job much better than you. No, you couldn't. You're not even a train. I don't have to be a train. Watch. Make way! Well, he's not doing it any better than me. There, see? Maybe I should have been asked to clear the snow instead of you. Oh, I don't think so. It's my job. I think he's just jealous.
Okay, time to load all of these cargo blocks onto the tracks. Right. Oh! Phew, almost dropped it.
You're loading the cargo.
Huh?
I could load those trucks much faster than you.
Could you? Well, they are quite heavy.
Not for me. Watch. There. See? I can load them 2 at a time.
Yeah, well, that doesn't make you better than me.
I think it does. I was much faster than you.
Look at my awesome snowman.
You call that a snowman?
What?
I could make a better snowman.
Really? But what's wrong with mine?
Well, it's a bit small.
A good snowman doesn't have to be a big snowman.
There, look at that. What a fantastic snowman.
Well, so's mine. Doesn't mean you're better at making snowmen than me.
I don't think I'm better than you.
Oh?
I know I'm better than you.
Oh, Byron's so rude. He was rude to me too. He thinks he's better than everyone.
He was rude to me as well. What are we going to do?
Yeah, we need to teach him a lesson. Well, why don't we let him do our jobs again? What? But he'll just show off again. Not if he can't do them all.
And Rascal Funding explained his plan. I'm so brilliant. I could do anyone's job, even a job I've never done before. Ah, Byron, I need your help. Unfortunately, Thomas is feeling under the weather, so can't clear the snow off the track. But he said you did such a good job at it yesterday, he asked if you could do it for him today. I'd be honoured, sir. Good. Oh, and he's supposed to deliver 2 trucks of cargo too, and the Funding and Rascal Funding are supposed to load the trucks, but they're not feeling well either. So, can you do that too? I can load the trucks, but I wasn't designed to pull them. Well, you weren't designed to clear snow off the track or load trucks either, but apparently you're good at that. I'll try my best. Okay, let's load these trucks.
Oh, I wouldn't lift 2 cargoes at the same time.
What? Why not?
They're fragile, and you'll be in lots of trouble if you drop one.
I won't drop one. Oops, I did drop one.
Uh-oh, the Fundling wouldn't have dropped that.
Oh, no one has to know about that. There. Right, now I just need to pull these trucks somehow. Alright, here we go.
Whee! What? Oh, come on, go a bit faster. Speed up. Yeah, surely you can go faster.
No, I'm not designed to pull trucks.
Yeah, and you obviously weren't designed to load cargo either.
Oh dear, I need to clear this snow.
Go on then, clear it.
I can't do it whilst pulling you.
Thomas could.
Oh, fine, I'll give it a go. Oh, come on. Nope, I'm just not strong enough. Oh, I need help. Aha!
You need help, eh?
Thomas, Fundling, Rascal Fundling, I thought you were ill.
Nope, we're fine. We just wanted to see how well you'd cope by doing all of our jobs at the same time.
Well, I'm doing okay.
Except you dropped a cargo and went really slowly and couldn't clear the snow off the track.
Oh, okay. I admit it, I struggled. You know, you don't always have to prove that you're better than everyone. I know, I'm sorry. Please could you help me out? Of course we can help. So Byron let the Fundlings load the trucks properly so Thomas could pull them. And he also promised that he'd try not to show off anymore.